Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be doing like the unboxing of the it says under seat slides. So basically this is like all the covers that protect I think maybe the back seats or underneath the rails. I'm going to show it to you guys. So this is to protect here. So there should be a total of what, like 7 pieces, and here they are. So I just opened the box, so we're gonna inspect it. And underneath each piece there should be like a number for us to see and to know. This big piece is number 6. Yep, there's number 6 right here. And pretty much this is the installation. So I'm gonna walk you guys, go over there, and we're gonna install into my car. As you can see, inside my car, pretty much everything is covered. You see from the floor mat to this piece right here, all the way up there, and to the sidekick in there too as well. And it blends in really well with the vehicle and with the color too. And so this is what we're missing. So as you can see, in and out wise, my feet, I mess it up, but we're gonna install it here, one on the other side, and then one in the back. See, but right in there is a number 1, and we just follow the instructions right here. It should be pretty easy. All right, so I had to remove all of the little piece sides over here before I can install this one, but it's pretty easy. Once you remove that piece, you just put it in there, you slide it all the way to the back, and it has Velcro, which will stick to this part. I don't know what you call it, these little things over here, but that's pretty much it. That's it. There you go. See? Now, pretty much everything is protected. Yeah. We're done with one. So this is the passenger side. So again, I have to remove all the other ones, the slidings one. Then now it's just this. You slide it in. So you go all the way to the back. But now it has a Velcro in here, so it gets stuck. But just push it back and then push it all the way in. There we go. So let me show you. So this is what it looks like. See? Really, it blends in really well. Really nice. The seats. See the seats here? This right here. Very good. Very nice. Very nice. And you do the other one too. So pretty much it's repetitive. Here's a close-up on the passengers, guys. So there we go. And over there as well too, like I said, really nice. Everything blends in. So if you want your vehicle protected, you know, I think this is a must, because we're gonna scratch it quite a bit, but it blends in really nice. Piece number 2 goes in really easy. It's really hard for me to record one hand and install it the other hand, but if you put the camera down, you just open this one and you slide it in, and once you slide it all the way in, you just push it in, and then that's it. You're pretty much done. Really nice. So, and then it helps if you push the move the seat all the way back, but that's how it looks like, guys. 1 and 2 is done. Alright guys, so finally got everything installed. That is number 5, and the middle one is number 6, and the other one is number 7. So if you use both hands, it would be really easy. But too bad I'm here by myself, and I was not able to record everything for you. But if you follow the instructions right here, you cannot go wrong with it. It's really easy, very simple, right? And again, the color, everything blends in pretty well, really nice. Like another protection. If you're like myself with like 3 kids, ages from 6 to 10, you know they make a big mess in the back here. They kick it and everything too. But with that protection, you know your vehicle will be well protected. And not only that, but it looks nice, right? All right, guys. So just like that, we're done with the installations. And as you can see, the color, it blends in really well, right? I did make a scratch right there, but I'm pretty sure you can wipe that off. And the vehicle, it's well protected. And if you're wondering what kind of seat cover I use, you know, I'll list it in the descriptions. And once again, I want to thank you, all of the vendors or the seller that sent over all the items for me to review and install. And so far, I'm really happy with this product. If you guys have any questions regarding about the installations for this one right here, feel free to leave in the comment below. But as far as the packaging wise, it was well packaged. Everything's nice and neat, and the numbering is very easy. It has a diagram, and this one has pictures too. So if you follow the installation manual there, you cannot get it wrong. But I could have done it for less than 20 minutes, but just because that, you know, I'm recording and do all this, so it took a little bit of time. But again, it's really nice. Once you have your Tesla or any car, right, you want to protect your investment, and I think this investment is well worth it. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comment below. But other than that, thank you for watching. Be safe. Till next time. As you can see, here's the website for Topfit. So you can use Topfit to get 10% discount off. You can see here they do sell a lot of test accessories. And like this one right here, this is the one that I do have it installed in my car, and this one as well too. So it's well worth it, right? So also they do have different Model Y, Model 3, and they have a lot of stuff for the accessory aftermarket. They have the Tesla puck as well too. So just in case if you want to do your own tire rotations, you can do so. And charging cable holder, many other products. And this is the product that we just did, guys. This one right here, and it's really nice. So if you guys don't have it installed in your Tesla, and I suggest that you should buy it and install it. And again, they have many different types. Brake pedals out of stock for now. They have the rear Model Y storage. They have spoilers currently out of stock. I did a video on how to install a spoiler from another manufacturer, but if you need to see how to install it, you can check it out. But yeah, if you get a chance, just check out the company Topfit. Okay, thank you.